Hi, Sam. What do you want, buddy? You want to go for a car ride? You want to go for a car ride? Tell me. Yeah. Oh, you want to go hiking? Oh, my goodness. Okay, we got the backpack. Check. Drone. Check. Teddy bear. Check. I saw a set of fresh tracks on this road, and it looks like only one set, so I think somebody's already up here. Welcome back to Trailheads. I'm your host with the most, Craig, and this is the Round Hound, Samuel. We're here at Paddy's Knob in West Virginia, and we're lacking a bit of direction. So the road up here was a gravel road, wasn't too bad. It gets a little bit bumpier as you go up, and now we're here, and the map says there should be a lookout tower somewhere, so we're gonna park here and take this side road. We're gonna hoof it and see if we can find it. Oh my gosh, look at all these flies. I don't understand why they like my car, but they are everywhere. All right, so according to the map, the fire tower was that way, so I'm thinking it's this side trail right here, but we're about to find out. I'm not sure what altitude we're at, but we're seeing snow up here. All right, we've come to a fork in the road. Normally, I would take the one less traveled. Get it? But I think I'm gonna take this one because it's a little bit higher in elevation. Maybe I can see something from there. I'm not seeing a lookout tower yet. Okay, so I think this is just a dead-end turnaround. And unfortunately, guys, here's the fire tower. Yeah, we have a knack for not finding fire towers, or rather finding where they used to be. And of course, some beer bottles. But yeah, this looks like it, where the fire tower used to be, lookout tower, whatever it's called. Well, that sucks. Well, just because we didn't find a fire tower doesn't mean it's a total loss. We're still out in the woods, still a beautiful day. And there's something unique about this place. I don't know, you have to be here to feel it. And I might be going crazy, but when I was over there where the fire tower was, it sounded like, you know, when you drop a basketball and it bounces and then it bounces quicker and quicker until it stops. It sounded like that. It sounded like a thumping like that underground. I don't know. Maybe I'm just losing it. But I can kind of see where all the folklore and old tales come from here in West Virginia. Imagine being out here tore up on moonshine. Tell you what, there's some really gnarly trees out here. So we came across this. I don't know why. It's just like a really weird clearing. Man, you really get some weird vibes out here. A little bit of moss. Wow, look at this tree. I'm not sure what this is called, but this is crazy. Shh. So we're here at the turnaround, and this road goes that way as far as the drone can see, and it also goes in the other direction as far as the drone can see. But this road is not on the map. Man, these are definitely some creepy woods. This would be perfect for a ghost hunting team to come up here and spend the night. Although I don't know if I'm brave enough for that yet. You know, the only reason I'm still here is because I'm trying to catch that sound on camera, and I just did. That last 5-second clip, I just heard the sound while recording, but then when I played it back, I couldn't hear it. So I think I'm losing my mind. I'm gonna get the heck out of here before I run into a Blair Witch, Sasquatch, or the Mothman, or all three. They might be playing poker out here, I don't know. Sam, be still. Shh. Stay, Sam, stay. All the birds and insects just stopped making noise. There it is. Did you hear it? It sounded like it come from underground. It does it like every 5 minutes. Maybe they didn't properly uninstall this tower. Maybe there's something underground that they didn't turn off or something. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't think you can hear it on the camera. It's too low pitched. I'm telling you, it sounds like a thumping sound underground. I just heard it again. I can hear it better when I'm in between the pillars. Sam, hush. Shh, what was that? Be quiet, Sam. Listen, buddy. That's not creepy at all. Okay, we're back at the car. And of course, I wasn't recording when I thought I heard a voice over here. I've got goosebumps all over me right now. I said, hello very loud, but obviously nobody answered. Yeah, I think it's time to make like a fetus and head out. Holy crap, there's even more of them. They're not really bothering me. I don't know why they like my car so much. Flies everywhere. Shoot. Man, I've been in places that made me feel weird before, but that place takes the cake. And I bet you if you stayed the night up there, you'd hear all kinds of weird stuff.